Hey, welcome back to the Happy Heels. Let's see how we can crochet this storage box, which you can use for multiple purposes, and it can also be turned into a succulent pot. Here is the list of material which will be required. Let's begin. Taking 3-ply acrylic yarn. Here. Now to improve the thickness of this yarn, you can take double the yarn. So I'm taking the other end here. So working this way, it make your project stiff as well. And the hook size I am taking 3 mm. Now start with taking a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger and make a circle like this. Now insert hook and pull a loop. Here. Just make a slip knot like this. Now chain 1 and work single crochet into the ring. Here. Now likewise you have to work total 10 single crochet. Now following this same pattern, we'll complete the round. Now slip stitch to the very first single crochet to end the round. Here. And chain 1 to work next round. So before you proceed further, just pull the yarn tight and close the ring. Here. Now continue to work second round. Now go to the next stitch and work 2 single crochet into same stitch. Here. And that's what we say is increase single crochet. So whenever we work 2 single crochet into the same stitch, will be set as increased single crochet. Now repeat and continue. So following the same pattern, complete the round. Now we'll slip stitch to end the round. Here. Next we'll chain 1 to start next round. Here. Go to the next stitch and work single crochet. Then go to the next and work increase single crochet, that is 2 single crochet into same stitch. Now we'll follow the same pattern to complete the round. Again we'll take slip stitch to end the round. Here. Now chain 1. Now go to the next stitch and work a single crochet. And to the next again a single crochet. Then to the next we'll work increased single crochet. So now we'll follow this pattern, 2 single crochet, then increase single crochet and complete the round. So till here our 4th round is done. Now we'll slip stitch to end this round. Here. So next we'll work to the height for the box. So here we'll work simple single crochet per stitch, but we have to work under the loops. So you have to watch carefully how we're going to take our hook. So just take the whole hook through the loops and work single crochet like this. Here again we'll take our hook under the loops and take it out from the other one, and then again a single crochet here. So now we'll repeat the same procedure and we'll complete this round. So this is how this pattern will look like. Now you have to repeat to complete the round. So here we can see how it turned out here. Now we'll just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here. Now chain 1 to work next round. And we'll work 40 single crochet throughout. So just work the round taking single crochet only. So again working slip stitch to end the round. Here again we'll chain 1 to start our next round, and then repeat the above instruction to work further rounds. So here it's all done. So total 8 rounds will be done to work on the height for the box here. You can increase or decrease the height accordingly. So next we'll crochet the lid, the cap for the box. So the starting 3 rounds will be the same. Just change the yarn. I have taken dark brown color, and round 1 to 3 will perform same. So again taking the basic color, that is light brown color, to work further. First 3 rounds I mentioned, you can see. Now attach yarn taking slip knot. This left yarn you have to work along while crocheting further, so you can secure it. Now just chain 1 and then 2 single crochet to the next 2 stitches. Then to the next we'll work increase single crochet, that is 2 single crochet into same stitch. So here is the pattern to follow: 2 single crochet, then increase single crochet. So now we'll just repeat to work further. So now just repeat the same pattern to complete the round. Now slip stitch to the very first single crochet to end the round here. Now chain 1 to start next round here, and then single crochet to the next, again single crochet to the next, and again single crochet here. So now work 3 single crochet and then increase single crochet. So here we have to work 2 single crochet into same stitch. Now we'll follow the same pattern and complete the round. Now slip stitch to the very first single crochet here. So till here base is done. Now we'll work next 2 rounds to work for the height. So now just chain 1, and we have to work total 50 single crochet which we got from our previous round. So now we'll work under the loop like we did earlier here and single crochet. So again we'll repeat the same procedure. You have to work through the loops, taking your hook under the loops like this. So this is the easiest way to give a proper shape while making any box, basket or lid, to give it a proper height. Here. So now we'll just repeat and complete the round. So this is how it will turn out, like this, as you can see. So now just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here, and then again chain 1 to work further. And now just we'll work single crochet per stitch to complete the round. So here is the same pattern. You have to work single crochet throughout. So here, as you can see, so now just slip stitch to the very first single crochet to end this round. Here, now chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Now we'll secure this left yarn. And cut the all extra yarn here. So here we are all done. So here you can see how nicely our storage box is done. So next we will fix the eyes to the box. It will give a nice cute look to the project, and it is completely optional. So here is the safety eyes I have taken of 3 mm. You can get it from any local market, or I'll mention the link in description. You can go click and buy. So let's see how to fix it. Here I have to leave first 2 rows from the above, so better you put the lid on so it's easy to mark it. So here I have left the 4 rows from above and placed the safety eye. So next here I have to do it parallel with the one and the lock from the back like this, and it's done here. So now in the same way you can work the smaller size as well. I have mentioned the instruction, you can just pause and check. Here it is. So here we have this cactus. We have to plant it on the box, and you have to work your box accordingly. Like this box, if I will take example, is too big to fix it. So it's definitely important to choose the right size of box or to crochet it accordingly. So here is the smaller size of box whose pattern is same as we have done, just you have to skip some rounds which I have mentioned earlier. So here just glue it on and hold it to the place. Just press it little longer and here it's all done. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoy crocheting it. If you like the tutorial, please like, share, subscribe to support our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest update. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.